Out here, nothing arrives by tap. No municipal line, no pressure tank waiting at the road, no water heater humming away in a basement. Our cold water comes straight out of the lake, pumped up, filtered, and run through the cabin 3 seasons of the year. And for a long time, the question we kept circling back to was a simple one. How do you get reliable hot water at a place you can only reach by boat? This little unit turned out to be the answer. This is the Camplux BW264G, a portable tankless propane water heater. And tankless is the part that matters off-grid.
Well, as you guys can see behind me, we live on a lake. So we have a massive, massive storage unit for water. Now, one thing about this lake is it's very cold. We came out here while there was still ice on the lake. And that means that we need a water heater that's gonna get the job done. And this honestly did.
There's no reservoir of water sitting around losing heat. It fires only when you open a tap, heats the water as it flows through, and shuts off the moment you're done. It puts out up to 2.64 gallons a minute. Runs on propane, and the only electricity it needs is 2 D-cell batteries to spark the ignition and run the little digital display. No shore power, no inverter draw on our battery bank. For a place like ours, that independence is everything. But here's the detail that actually sold us, and it's the one most people overlook. When your water comes from a lake instead of a city main, you don't have much pressure to work with. You've got a pump and gravity, and that's about it. A lot of water heaters simply won't ignite on that. They sit there waiting for pressure that a setup like ours just can't give them. This unit lights with water pressure as low as 3.6 psi. That's the whole reason it works for us. It doesn't demand a strong, steady push to do its job. It'll fire on the gentle flow we can actually deliver from the lake. If you're feeding a heater from a pump, a rain barrel, a gravity tank, or any low-pressure source, that single speck is the difference between hot water and a cold disappointment. We've got it plumbed to serve the sinks and the shower. Turn the hot tap at the kitchen sink, and within a few seconds, you've got warm water for dishes. No waiting on a kettle, no heating pots on the stove. Same story in the bathroom. Step into the shower, and it's a genuine hot shower, not a quick rinse you're rushing through before the warmth runs out, because it's heating on demand. It doesn't run dry the way a tank does. As long as the propane is flowing and the water is moving, the hot water keeps coming. Having something this ordinary, a hot shower at the end of a long day on the water, still feels like a small luxury. So after using the Camplux tankless heater, we're very, very happy with it, especially me, because I'm the one taking the long, hot showers. I'm the one with the hair that needs to be washed, and I am just very happy with having it, and I'm so glad that we were able to use it and to do the review, because you know what, we really needed it. Now, we always tell it straight on this channel, so a few honest notes. It is propane, so you treat it like any gas appliance. Ventilation matters, and you check your connections every time. It's rated for use below 2,000 feet, which is no problem for us up here. And because our water comes from the lake, we drain it down for the off-season. It's got an antifreeze drain plug for exactly that, and our batteries and gear come off the island before ice in. But within the life we actually live, it's been one of the most reliable upgrades we've made.
The thing about this unit, it's just super easy to set up. Literally take it out of the box, hang it on the wall or on the side of the cottage in our case, making sure that it's vented. You do not want to have it inside. And you just hook up the LP, you hook up the water coming in, and you hook up the water going out, put in the batteries, and life is good. Make some minor adjustments and you have hot water. Boom. Good stuff.